You wake up. You feel okay. You're not sick, so you must be healthy, right? You get through your day. Maybe you're a little more tired than usual, but who isn't? You try to eat well and stay active. By all accounts, you seem to be doing fine. But what if that sense of fine is a misleading form of health? What if your body is sending quiet signals of distress that are being written off as just aging? Doctors and top researchers are raising concern, not about a new disease, but about a hidden health crisis quietly affecting millions of people who think they're doing just fine. It's not about what you can feel. It's about what's happening under the surface, slowly and silently, until it starts affecting your daily life. A 2022 study found that fewer than 7% of American adults have optimal metabolic health. That means over 93% of people may already be showing signs of metabolic dysfunction, and most don't even know it. This is a quiet epidemic. The early signs are subtle, often overlooked, and easy to dismiss. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden symptoms of poor metabolic health and what you can do starting now to turn things around. Section 1. The illusion of normal and what metabolism really is. So, what exactly is metabolic health? In simple terms, it's how well your body converts food into energy. Think of it as your body's internal engine. When it's running efficiently, you feel energized, focused, and balanced. When it's not, everything else starts to slip. This issue is often referred to as metabolic syndrome. Not a disease, but a group of risk factors that often occur together. Having just one of these conditions isn't ideal. But having 3 or more significantly increases your risk for serious issues like heart disease, stroke, or type 2 diabetes. And here's the concerning part. Up to 1 in 3 American adults already meet the criteria for metabolic syndrome. Many don't realize it until more obvious health problems arise. But your body often gives clues long before things get serious. Section 2, Sign 1, Stubborn belly fat. Let's start with one of the most visible warning signs, belly fat, especially around the waist. Doctors have set clear indicators, over 40 inches for men and 35 inches for women, as thresholds for increased risk. This kind of fat, known as visceral fat, sits deep inside your abdomen and wraps around vital organs like your liver and pancreas. Unlike fat under the skin, visceral fat can disrupt your body's hormone balance and promote inflammation. It's strongly connected to insulin resistance, a condition where your body stops responding effectively to insulin, the hormone responsible for moving sugar from your blood into your cells. So if you're carrying extra weight around your midsection, don't view it as just a cosmetic issue. It may be your body's way of signaling deeper imbalances. Section 3. Sign 2. Hidden numbers in your blood work. The next signs aren't things you can see in the mirror. They're revealed in your lab results, and often missed if you're not looking closely. High blood pressure above 130/85 is one of the most common silent symptoms. It usually doesn't cause any pain, but it gradually strains your arteries and increases your risk for cardiovascular events. Fasting blood sugar over 100 suggests insulin resistance or prediabetes. You might notice subtle symptoms like increased thirst, more frequent urination, fatigue, or even slightly blurred vision, but it's easy to write those off. And then there's your cholesterol profile. High triglycerides, above 150, and low HDL or good cholesterol, below 40 for men and 50 for women. These two together create the conditions for unhealthy blood flow and increased risk of artery narrowing. You might feel totally fine, but these markers are often the earliest sign that your metabolism is struggling. Section 4. Sign 3. Skin clues and energy depletion. Some warning signs show up where you least expect them. On your skin. One example is a condition called acanthosis nigricans, where dark velvety patches appear on the neck, armpits, or underarms. It's not dirt or poor hygiene. It's often a signal that your body is producing more insulin than it can use, which is a strong sign of insulin resistance. Then there's the fatigue. This isn't just being a little tired. It's a constant sense of exhaustion, even after a full night's sleep. When your cells can't absorb energy properly, you may experience brain fog, low motivation, or a feeling like your body just isn't keeping up. Your system is running low on accessible energy, even though your bloodstream is full of it. That mismatch is a key sign of metabolic dysfunction. Section 5. Your doctor's action plan. This might feel like a lot, but here's the empowering part. Metabolic syndrome is often reversible with the right lifestyle changes. First, start with a full metabolic checkup. blood pressure, fasting glucose, triglycerides, HDL cholesterol, and waist measurement. Knowing your numbers is the beginning of taking back control. When it comes to lifestyle, focus on nutrition. Doctors recommend the Mediterranean or DASH diets. These prioritize whole foods, vegetables, fruits, nuts, whole grains, and lean proteins, while minimizing processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbs. Exercise. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Add in strength training to build muscle, your body's most efficient tool for controlling blood sugar. Sleep and stress. These two are often underestimated. Poor sleep affects hunger and stress hormones, while chronic stress raises cortisol, which encourages fat storage and worsens insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep and build stress relief into your routine, whether it's movement, mindfulness, or creativity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll be diving deeper into food strategies, movement plans, and simple science-backed steps to help you support your metabolic health. Also, please share this video with someone you care about. Whether it's a family member or friend, chances are someone in your circle could benefit from this life-changing information. Here's what doctors are making clear. Your body talks to you. The belly fat that won't budge, the creeping blood pressure, the deep fatigue, these aren't just aging. They're signs your metabolism is struggling. But this isn't a permanent condition. It's a turning point. With the right information and action, you can support your body, reduce risk, and feel stronger than ever. This is your wake-up call and your opportunity to take control. And it starts today.